So this is Mandy. Mandy's a 14-year-old female spayed Maltese cross that presented to Southpaw's Emergency and Critical Care yesterday as a referral from her referring vet for gallbladder mucocele and concern for bowel peritonitis. So Mandy had been managed medically for approximately 6 months prior to presentation. However, yesterday she acutely deteriorated with acute onset vomiting and a marked elevation in her ALT and total bilirubin. She was admitted through ECC last night on point of care ultrasound. She didn't have any evidence of peritoneal effusion, and today she advanced to CT, where on CT there was no evidence of bowel peritonitis, but she did have marked gallbladder mucocele, distension of her common bowel duct, and left adrenomegaly. She proceeded to surgery where she had a cholecystectomy and left adrenalectomy. Intra-operatively, there was a period of hypertension that resolved with 2 by 10 ml per kilo plasma-like bolus, followed by a norepinephrine CRI of 0.7 micrograms per kilo per minute. She's also managed with fentanyl and a ketamine CRI. Post-operatively, she has recovered well. She is instrumented with a central venous catheter and invasive blood pressure monitoring in the form of an arterial catheter in a right dorsal pedal artery. At the moment, in terms of medications, she's on a fentanyl and ketamine CRI, as well as a hydrocortisone CRI at 0.3 milligrams per kilo per hour. She has been weaned off her noradrenaline CRI over the past few hours. She's also on plasma-like 148. In terms of invasive blood pressure monitoring, there's a little bit of dampening at the moment, but we'll fix that up momentarily. We'll keep you posted as to how she progresses over the next 24 hours.